Recently, I was listening to a podcast, and the speakers were talking about engaging and motivating staff. Much of the language that they used was militaristic. It sounded to me somewhat like battle cries and implied that staff are warriors, not people who are working and naturally wanting to give of their best. The message implied was that team members should, soldier on and take one for the team. But what our team members and staff need is not a call to arms, but rather support and care. Experimentation is a necessary part of adaptation. And so we should expect that there's going to be some mistakes along the way. I believe that we need to encourage our employees to experiment, to make mistakes, and ultimately to find new ways to succeed. We want them to ask for help or to admit when they're finding a task difficult or overwhelming. And this places them in a vulnerable position. So let's lose the militaristic language and focus on support and learning and growing together.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.